La 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 la.
Now, I would like to request our respected principal, Father Joshi, to share a few words of wisdom and inspiration.
Teachers and my dear students, today we are entering to the remarkable day in the life of Don Bosco High School. With a sports day, 2 days of sports, we are entering into the celebration of the Golden Jubilee. And we have arranged these sports as part of the celebration of the Golden Jubilee of the school. And the coming days, whatever incident, events it is going to take place, that is the part of the celebration. As a whole, all of us, including me, the teachers, sisters, and all of you, are the privileged ones because you are the part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. So, all will not get this kind of unique moment in their life. Only few will be given and you will be getting this kind of privileges. So as you enter into this day, and we are going to start the celebration with this 2 days of sports. And it is arranged, it is not only for the external celebration to bring the unity and a kind of a cooperation among the students. And when you come as the houses, different houses, lot of different ideas come together, put together, and you are planning out, and for the welfare of your own houses. And your ideas will be, and your own contribution will be, your efforts will boost up your houses, and ultimately you see the quality of your performance by gaining the points, individual or as a group. So therefore, this is a platform for you to come together, to work together, to develop the sportsman spirit within yourself and contributing yourself for the common good. So now, at this very moment, you must realize what are the elements that spoil that coming together or spoiling the spirit of that sportsman spirit. What are the elements it is ruining or spoiling? The other day we had some of the incidents that has taken place in the school. Students are involving in match fixing. So that match fixing, it is we know as a whole, it is a crime. And what do you do actually? Offering something money, materials to the other group, and intentionally you are allowing your group to be lost or fail in the competition. And as a whole, what are you doing? You are cheating yourself, you are cheating your group. The group members may select you as a participants for the competition, and when you go with a bad intention, so that you shows your personality and that will affect now as well as the later period. This kind of cheating practices. And again, another element what is spoiling your spirit, that is fighting, quarreling, and whenever you participate in the competition, there can be confusions, there can be tensions, and the emotions that you have sometimes leads to into kind of exchanging of words and this kind of things. Ultimately, what brings chaos and a confusion in the group and among the students. Again, that will spoil that spirit that within you. So therefore, as you enter into the competition today, always remember you are doing it for to build up that community spirit, and this also will able to help you to adjust with the situations, adjust with your own friends. In spite of what are the differences we have, we come together only as a one title, that is Bosconians. So that title you must uphold always. Don't allow any other elements to spoil that spirit. So all of you are the students of Don Bosco, and all of you are bound by rules and regulations, and any violations of the rules and regulations will have its own consequences, and the students, those who are entering into this kind of other elements which spoils the real spirit, they may have to face the consequences. And always remember, you come as with a one identity, that is Bosconia. You work together as a one team and work for the team. And if there is any confusion or whatever may be the situation in the playground, who will take the decision? It is not you. There will be teacher in charges, there will be referees or umpire, whatever with regard to different competitions. Their decision will be final, and there will be no fighting for any other thing. So they will take the upper hand, and it is not the students. So you are therefore participating in the particular competition with the rules bounded, the rules and regulations. You cannot go beyond. So understand the limitations, understand the what do we call the varieties of the opportunities that you are getting, make use of it, and develop your inner talents within yourself, contributing to the group as well as always uphold the name and reputation of the school. So wish every one of you, the management, teachers and the students, a successful day ahead, and let us begin starting the celebration of the Golden Jubilee with a positive atmosphere, and whatever confusion we have, just keep it aside, and it has no significance at this very moment, and we will be working together. So wish you all the best and enjoy the day. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal, Father Joshi, esteemed Headmistress, Sister Stella, Primary in Charge, Sister Mary, KG in Charge, Sister Catherine, beloved teachers, and you all, my dear Bosconians. It gives me true joy to welcome you all to our much-awaited annual sports celebration. Today is a day to celebrate energy, sportsmanship, and teamwork. Sports teaches us discipline, unity, and the courage to face every challenges with grace, whether we win or lose. We are truly grateful to our principal and headmistress for their constant guidance, and to our teachers is for inspiring us to give our best in every field. So, let us fill this day with enthusiasm, teamwork, and a cheerful spirit. Once again, a warm welcome to every one of you, and let the games begin. Thank you.
Monica to enchant us with a beautiful song adding up to the fantastic day of sports. Such a melodious song. So now, here is Siddhi to express our heartfelt gratitude to all who have made this event possible.
A very warm, enthusiastic morning to everyone. Today, I got the privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty God for His evident blessings and grace which has made this grand success. Without His blessings and protection, none could have been possible. Our heartfelt thanks goes to our principal, Father Joshi, and headmistress, Sister Stella, for his constant guidance and motivation and unwavering support. Your leadership has truly been a driving force behind the success of this event. A big thanks to all our teachers and all the sisters for their dedication, hard work and commitment. Your efforts has turned this sports week into a wonderful experience for everyone. I would also like to extend my gratitude to all the non-teaching staff for their valuable help behind the scenes. I would also like to extend my appreciation to all the participants for their efforts, sportsmanship and perseverance. And let's make a promise to have the same spirit of joy, efforts, sportsmanship in everything we do. Thank you.